Hi, and welcome to this introduction to teachvest.com and the VESS model. In vocational higher education, achieving student success comes down to a clear challenge. Universities require academic standards such as critical thinking and essay writing, but our students are practical, hands-on learners who may lack academic preparedness. Meanwhile, our teachers are industry experts, but they may have little prior teaching experience or maybe even university experience as learners. To bridge this gap, I created the VESS model, the Vocational Education Student Success model, focusing on three core elements: module mastery, practically or pragmatically helping students prepare for assessments and master necessary vocational skills and help them with time management. And then academic study skills, embedding essential support for critical thinking, academic reading and writing and reflection directly into sessions. And finally, engagement, helping students to connect with their role as learners, to see the relevance of the module content to their vocation and their interests, and engage with each other and their teachers. You can start anywhere in the model, depending on what your students need most. So it's really important to stop and think, what do my students consider success to be? Student success is a really broad term, and we want to think holistically and individually. And also, how can I best assist them to achieve their goals? And the VESS handbook and the website is really not about telling you what to do. It's about getting you to think, what can I do? And then looking through all of the tips and suggestions in here and thinking about maybe the one or two things that you can do now. It's not about trying to overwhelm you. It's about trying to help you to be pragmatic, but think about how you can start to develop and support your students. So to bring this to life, my book, Teaching for Student Success in Vocational Higher Education, which is published by Palgrave Macmillan, is split into two practical sections. Part one is the teacher toolkit. It unpacks key learning and frameworks and provides 3 chapters of teaching and learning activities as well. And it embeds skills that the students need to be successful alongside module content without overloading your scheme of work. And then part 2 is about extending your practice. And this offers actionable guidance, reflective questions and models on inclusive learning, sustainability, online teaching, and developing your own teacher identity. To accompany the book, the TeachVest website serves as your go-to repository. Here you'll find chapter infographics summing up the book, downloadable student worksheets and handouts, and a whole range of searchable TLAs, teaching and learning activities, to quickly find ideas that you can take into your sessions. You can also order a copy of the book from the website, or you can get it from all good bookshops. Thank you for your interest. You can follow me at TeachVest on Instagram to stay connected. Please hashtag TeachVest if you share any of the activities or handouts that you use. They're all on Creative Commons licenses from the website. And thank you and good luck.